Nā, kia hoki ake anō ki ngā tohu whakamānawa a te kuini, he wahine Māori me tōna hoa Pākehā, kua whakawhiwhia nei ki te tohu hapori mō wāraua mahi i te rohe o Porirua. Ko Julie Rawa ko Michael Dwyer, te tokorua e kōrerotia nei.
He kanohi Pākehā, engari he ngākau Māori.
Yes, I'm a Pākehā. I grew up in Te Aute College. I've always been around Māori all my life, and it's the love of my life, really.
50 mā tahi ngā tau, a Michael Rawa ko Julie Dwyer e moe tahi ana. Ko ngā mahi a ngā tokorua i te marae a iwi o Marairoa, te take I whakamānawa tia ai rāua I tēnei tau.
The dream was to see that we had a complex there that all peoples could come to. We were ngā haue whā, and anybody could come and use the complex, but we had to build it first. That was the challenge.
I te tau 20 maono, ka huakina ngā kuaha o te marae hou.
The reality is that I saw my nanny serving the community as a very small child. I mean, what else was there to do? I thought that was the norm.
I felt very humble, but I also thought about all the people who are no longer with us.
Michael Dwyer has been my rock through the whole of our life together. Hey, hekama, I'm 73 years old, and there's still such a lot of work to be done out in that community. But every now and again, one just needs a little break.
Ka re kore, ka noho nama tu te hapori o Porirua, kia rāua. Ngā hui a Wade, te karere.